In this video tutorial, we will look at how to create advanced charts using either a combination of properties on an axis or by splitting an axis into different categories. Let's open the Level 2 database and click on the Chart Select function. We can now click on Chart to create a chart stage. The chart stage window appears and we can see that we are in the Y-axis tab. Let's click on the Advanced button here. This window lets us create our own custom axes. The display box at the top shows what will be put on the axes. Just below is a choice of mathematical operators, which can be inputted between our attributes. Here, we can see three tabs: Attributes, Trees, and Constants Parameters. Each tab has a drop-down list for us to choose from. When you find the data you want to add, select it and press Insert or double-click. The selected property will then be visible in the display box. To delete selections, simply select the text and press Delete. Attributes give us the option of all the attribute data in the datasheets, including both discrete and continuous data. By default, the All Attributes option is selected from the drop-down list. Note the symbols to the left of the properties. These tell us which properties are continuous and which are discrete. We cannot mix discrete variables like recyclability with continuous variables like Young's modulus in the equation for an axis. The Trees tab allows us to split up materials on the chart or to only display the material classes or subclasses we're interested in using the tree layout. Material Universe is selected by default, but we have the choice from all the data tables in our selected database. The Constants Parameters tab gives us the option to include constants and parameters in our axis. For example, in the constants list we can see the volume of ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure, and in parameters we can see the batch size. So, now we can go ahead and make an advanced chart. Let's go to the Attribute tab and plot Young's modulus divided by density. We can choose to use mathematical operator buttons or press / on our keyboard. Checking that the expression looks correct, let's press OK. The axis attribute now shows up as advanced, and we can edit the title here. Now, let's set the x-axis. We will also create an advanced axis, this time by using the Tree tab. We are only interested in metals, glasses, and composites. So we will click on the Metals and Alloys folder, press Insert, and see that it appears in the text box. The datasheet preview is shown here. Let's also add the Glasses and Composites folders. Once we have the desired selected groups displayed, we press OK. Now that we have the two axes set, we can click on OK to create the chart. We can see that the formula is on the y-axis, and the split of materials is on the x-axis. Finally, we have seen that when selecting a material, it is sometimes useful to use a combination of properties on an axis. This is called a performance index. In the chart stage, we can click on the link, What is a performance index? This takes us to the online help, where we can learn more. In following video tutorials, we can learn how to use the limit and tree stages, as well as the other tools available in CES EduPack.